What is up, Mr. Crazy1870, and look, got my hands on a brand new PlayStation 5, which is really hard to actually get at a retail price, or even at that pre-order, or even that finding them at the retail stores. But I picked it up. I'll give you guys a little backstory on how I got it, but nonetheless, go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so before I start this video, I apologize for the plastic bags that are hanging from a treadmill. That's what I use to cover up my electronics, to make sure that I don't get dust on my gear. So nonetheless, jumping right into this. First, we have the usual paperwork, quick start guide, safety guide, and also your quick start guide, which is right here. Pretty standard. Pretty sure you guys don't care about that. We have your power cable, which is what's going to be used to power up the PS5. And we also have the remote control. So go ahead and open this up. Pretty dope remote control. I'm liking the actual design. Look at those actual keys. They look clear. And nonetheless, I think it looks pretty dope. I don't know, the whole console and design of this PS5 kind of reminds me a little bit of the Star Trek colors and design, which I think still looks pretty dope. Futuristic, if you ask me. Once again, the PS5 remote controller, which comes with one including the actual package. Let me go ahead and put this down because this is where the console's at. And we also have, what is it? USB Type-C cable. It's pretty dope. We also have the HDMI cable, which comes with one included in the box. I'm not exactly sure if you have to buy another specific one. I doubt that though. This one should work. I don't know if you're going to require another one for 8K gaming. I'm not 100% sure. You also got the actual stand right here. Alright, and for the main attraction of the show, we got the big boy right here. And this thing is super heavy and hefty. But nonetheless, man, I am excited to actually see this. I've seen it like at Best Buy at the actual display, and it looks so dope. This thing is really huge. Look at this. Wow. All right, put this down like this. Wait, I have to wrong with this. So this is it right here. Definitely has some weight to it compared to the regular PS4, and honestly, I think it looks dope. A lot of people were clowning it that it kind of looks like a actual modem and a router. But nonetheless, this thing looks beastie and really nice. So this is how it actually looks in landscape mode. And if you want to go ahead and use this vertical mode, which I don't think I'm gonna be able to use it because I'm not gonna have any type of room with my TV setup. But nonetheless, this thing looks beastie. It looks really nice. I actually do like the white sides of the PS5. I think this middle is definitely shiny and has a lot of fingerprints. Will attract a lot of fingerprints within time, but I really like the actual design, looking at it up close and personal. So here in the back, obviously you have your vents. On the back side, you have your USB ports, your LAN, Ethernet connection, your HDMI out, and also your power connector towards the back end. And if you look at the front, you also have a really cool PlayStation logo towards the top. And if you look at the front, I can already see some dust on the actual glass shiny part of the PS5. So in the front, you have two buttons. You have your eject button, power button, your USB Type-C input, and a USB port on the front end of the console. You also have your drive, because this is the the non-digital version. So I did go with the one with the Blu-ray player, which looks obviously really dope. I like it. So like I was saying at the beginning of the video, it is really hard to pick one of these up at a retail price. They are not in-store shelves. When they do drop online at Target, GameStop, and Best Buy, they sell out like this. So if you don't want to deal with the headache, maybe resale price is the route to go. I wouldn't pay $1,000. I wouldn't pay $800. I would probably keep, personally for me, I would keep it from around $700 to $750. More than that, and this is for a disc version, more than that I will not pay. So once again, if you have the money and you want to save yourself the headache, then I would definitely jump on a resale PS5, or honestly just wait. If you do decide to go with a resale PS5, take all your precautions. Make sure that the serial number of the PS5 matches the receipt that you get. Make sure you ask for the original receipt. Make sure that you get all the information that you need in order for you to feel comfortable when picking up a PS5. You do not want to get scammed. You don't want to be asked out, you know, $700 or $750. Once again, I don't recommend paying $1,000 because again, that's just not the business. But again, this is the PS5. Leave me your PlayStation Network down in the comments down below. As of right now, I have what is it? Cold War, I believe it's called. I also have Spider-Man. That game looks super sick. I will leave my PSN in the video description. Add me, I'm gonna add you back. Let's play, let's have some fun. Happy holidays to all of you guys. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.